You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more names from Roman mythology, Roman history, also Latin, make sure to stay tuned. We've got tons of useful video for you at the end of this one. There's going to be two slightly different pronunciations. The Latin pronunciation, the way it would be said in ancient Rome, Caelus, Caelus, Caelus. Now in English it's more generally pronounced either Caelus or Caelus. The English pronunciation is more as Caelus, the god of, what is it, the god of, let me know in the comments, I forget now. Caelus or Caelus. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.